Hi, my name is Arsh. I'm going to show you how to make a tornado inside a bottle. First, you need to put the bottle on your head and just do this. Keep practicing and it will come. When the warm air goes up and the cool air goes down, it mixes together and spins and it comes to the ground and turns into a tornado. That's how a tornado forms. I will show you again. It's coming, see? Sometimes it will come a big tornado in the bottle. So click the like button and subscribe to our channel and click the bell for more notifications. Bye.